welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna make a chocolate chip cookie. So first I'm gonna start with my brown sugar. So I have dark brown sugar. You can use a light one if you want, but I prefer to use the dark one because it gives that cookie that look that I'm looking for. Then I go ahead with half cup of white sugar. This was a little more than half cup, so I left that back. And then I'm gonna go in with my butter. So as I did this butter, I put it in a pot for it to melt to give me this look, this dark look. And then you want 1 cup of butter, but if it's not 1 cup, you can go ahead and top that up with a little water, okay? And I did that. So I'm going to pour that. And I'm going to mix that together. So at this point, you can use your whisk, or if you have a hand whisk, that's fine. So I'm just going to put that on medium. All right, I'm just going to go in with my eggs. I have 2 eggs, put like that. I'm just going to whisk that again. Whisk that in. And I have my vanilla. I'm just going to go in with 1 teaspoon of that. That's good. I'm going to whisk that as well. So guys, your butter, you have to wait until it's cool before you pour it in, okay? So I have all-purpose flour here, and I have bread flour. If you don't have bread flour, that's fine. You don't have to use bread flour, okay? You can go ahead and just use your all-purpose flour by itself. All right? So I'm just gonna put, I have here 3/4 cup of bread flour. Then I have here my all-purpose flour, 1 cup. Then I have my baking soda here, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then I have my salt. I'm gonna add that as well. And you want to add 1 teaspoon of salt. So we're just going to add that in. Just use a spoon. So we're just going to sieve it in like that. And guys, when you're making chocolate chip cookie, it's best for you to have like your chocolate chip. If not, it's fine. You can go ahead and get any dark chocolate that you like, and you can just cut it up into pieces and put that in your mixture. If you don't have the chocolate chip, that's fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this out. So at this point, I'm gonna go in with my spatula and just mix it around like that. And guys, if you have espresso powder, you can go ahead and add that in. I'm not gonna put any in this today. And guys, if you have your espresso powder, you can also add that in. You don't have to. This is what you're looking for. So there you go, guys. You don't want it to be too runny, okay? So this is what you're looking for. All right. Give it this doughy look. All right, so I'm going to go ahead in with my chocolate chip. I'm not going to use all of this. I'm just going to mix that in. Like that. If you see that it needs more, you can always go ahead and add some in. Then I'm going to go in with my dark chocolate. This one have some nuts in there. I like it like that, so I get the one with the nuts. You don't have to get the one with the nuts. You can go ahead and get your plain one. All right, and then we just do the same, and we just mix that in. And you put all of it in there. And just a few more chocolate, and this should be fine. Let's go ahead and we do the same. We mix it around, just the same. And guys, you can bake it right away, or you can just cover it with a plastic wrap and you leave it for about 20 minutes. Then you take it out and bake. So we want this to bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. I think this is fine, but I think I should just go ahead and just put all my chocolate in, guys. Sorry, I think it needs it. Yeah, this is good. And we're all set with that. I'm just gonna put this aside. Then I'm gonna get my baking tin. So here I have my baking tin. I'm gonna go ahead and grease this pan. You can use your butter to grease the pan, okay? Because that's what I'm going to use. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that in. Go ahead and get this grease all over, like that. That's fine. I'm gonna go in with my parchment paper. Get it all in the pan like that. So that's fine. I'm gonna put another piece. Right now I'm gonna have it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray a little bit more butter over that, like that. I'm just gonna grease it, the same as we do the bottom. That. I'm gonna put it like this. So this is fine. Stick here, so I'm just gonna get a little more butter and just spray it on like that. And we're gonna do the same. The paper will be able to stick. Take your time when you're doing this, just make sure that everything is thick. You can go ahead and just remove those edges like that. I'll just put that. Fine, it's lifting. Then we're gonna add our cookie. to the bowl. So I'll just remove these. Sorry, I'm gonna add my cookie to my baking tin. Sorry. Like that. Leave that there. I want you guys to see. I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna go in now and just take some of the cookie up like that, and then I'm just gonna place it down. I'm using my scoop to do so, my cookie scoop to do so. You can go ahead, if you don't have this, you can go ahead and just use your spoon. All right, I'm just gonna place one there. I'm going to do the same to the others. You don't want them too close now, people. Okay guys, I'm going to leave 5 into this tin, then I'm going to have the rest into another baking tin, okay? Okay guys, so I'm just going to have it into the oven now and just leave it there until it's baked. Okay guys, so that's the end of my chocolate chip homemade cookie, and this you can have with some milk. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.